Diesel truck.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage. So it is Saturday. I just got done work, just got home. Actually, that's a lie. I actually just got home from the speed shop. So as you can see here, I have 20 foot of Dash 8 hose. So there's a place here by the house, if you guys are local to Lancaster, specifically Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, Santiago Speed and Performance. This guy Charles, he has this little speed shop. Pretty much anything you need, he can get it the next day. He does have AN lines, some AN fittings there on the shelf. And the very nice thing is he is open on Saturdays and Sundays until 5 p.m. I mean, how many of you have been working on something and you know it gets late in the day, or it gets to be a weekend and the auto parts store is closed? You know, it sucks. Yeah, the Advance and the auto zones are open anymore, but they don't have stuff like AN line and shit like that. So if you're local, check him out. Check Charles out at Santiago Speed and Performance. It's not the first time I've gone to him for AN stuff, and it probably won't be the last, but he is definitely keeping this project rolling for this weekend. That's not the game plan for tonight. We're actually not working on the drag race truck build tonight. We're actually going to head up to Buck Motorsports Park, which is right up the street here. We're going to go check out. Today was Truckers Day at the Buck. They have a big truck show, which I would have gone to, but had to work. Anyhow, this evening, they do their like parade of champions. All the guys who won all the, will be there. All the guys who won all the little awards during the day for show and shine and stuff, they present all those guys. And then they have truck pulls and drag races. Now, when I say truck pulls, that's semi trucks, you know, the tractors, and dump trucks. So if you've never seen a dump truck race, it's actually more exciting than you'd think. But anyway, the big trucks, if you like pickup truck pulling, the big trucks are the thing to see. There's something about a big truck, you know, doing a wheelie for 300 foot down the dirt track, pulling a sled, that is awesome. These things are just cool. So we're gonna go check that out right now.
I think he had a problem.
I hope you guys enjoyed the pulls and a little bit of drag racing. To be honest, at the beginning of the video, I did hype it up a little bit, and that show used to be a lot more impressive. Used to have dump trucks pulling, dump truck drag races. They used to have the modified trucks, which there were zero of. They're the ones that'll wheelie down the track, the ones that are like just really impressive to see. I mean, when you watch those and then watch a pickup, the pickups are kind of like, eh. And so that show's kind of gone downhill. I was talking to my brother, and he said he thinks there's some big pool down in Bowling Green or something like that. So that might be why a lot of the big guys weren't there. But other than that, it was still a decent show. Had some pickup trucks there, which I did not expect at all. And I happened to run into my friends from Blair. If you guys remember and you've been following the channel, we were hanging out with them last summer at the Englishtown Dragway, the last semi truck pull, or not truck pull, semi drag racing event that they had there. I think they're still going to have a truck show this year, but no more drag racing, as unfortunately that track has shut down. But all in all, decent event. Not what it used to be, for sure. Hopefully it comes back and becomes big again. Those modified semis are just the thing to see. If they're anywhere near you and you get the opportunity, definitely check that out. I can assure you, if they have more than just a handful of trucks there, it won't disappoint. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Get out in your garage, get the wrenching on your truck.